Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be making some more bear hugs. I'm all out and I just got these new molds in. They're a little bigger than I was hoping they would be, but I did pour a few in here. I'm going to be working with my, I just love these new colors that I got in. These are Rolio pigments and they are just gorgeous. So I'll open them all up, turn them upside down. So I'm going to be playing with these, and then some Let's Resin chameleon flakes. So I poured just a few last night, and then I started with the little bows in here. So I want to see how they turned out. I didn't do the bows on these. I just used whatever leftover resin I had to fill those. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. So shiny. And they stand up. Do they? He does. Nice. So that one I used this color, the azure. And then this little guy is robin's egg. Oh, that's cute. I love these. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of these. And they'll obviously have the little offsetting bows. So it's not necessary. And when I did these, I poured these, I just put a couple little drops in there and just used a toothpick to just fill it in. And they stayed perfectly. So these are all cured. And we're going to get pouring. All right, I'm going to start with flowers. I definitely want to do the rest of these in color, but I want to do a few with the flowers also. So I'm going to start with those, and then I'll go ahead and I'll change it to hyperlapse so you can see me pouring the other colors, and I'll list the colors in there as well, the ones that I'm using. So these, because I'm doing flowers, I'm only going to fill it halfway up because flowers float. Now I noticed when I was doing, I have the pump on my 1 gallon resin. 4 pumps equals 1 ounce of resin. And these each take 1 ounce of resin. I'm just getting these bubbles off of here that snagged onto the little bow. So I'll let those dissipate. This is Paduo resin that I'm using. It's one of my favorites. I get it from Amazon. So I have a pink flower that I think I'm going to place in her little body. And then I have this cute little leaf, stem, whatever, that we'll be placing on here also. Just got to trim that bottom off a little bit so it'll fit. Oh, that's going to be cute. Alright, so we're going to let that sit for a few hours, and then I'll do the back. And this guy is huge. Probably should have picked a smaller flower, but I don't know, both sides are cute. And we'll just put him, yeah, it's not going to fit very good. You have to be really careful with these flowers because they're so delicate. If you push on them too much, they will bruise, and we don't want that. I'm going to go ahead and try to take this off so it'll fit better. I should have done this before. Ah, shoot. I'll just go ahead and rip it apart. Alrighty, well, I'm just going to shove it in there because I didn't pull it apart beforehand. Oh, that'll work. Maybe I can get it to stay in there. I don't know, that might look kind of weird with it in his head. We'll see how it turns out. It might be a little weird. Alright, I want to try this parakeet green because it's just so bright, and I love these bright colors with the teddy bears. So first one's going to be parakeet green. So I wanted to show you the colors that I'm going to be using here. I've got this Rolio. It is Bleu de France. It's the sparkly one. I'm just going to add I'm just going to add a touch of that along with the pearl white. Focus. And then on the pink one, I'm going to do the pearl white again, and then just a touch of this creamy pink. I just want to have that hint of color in there. So I'm going to mix these up real quick, and then we'll pour them in. All right. I love how sparkly this is. So we're going to do white. And then I just want a little bit of the pink. And then this one's just going to be a little bit of the blue. And we'll see how these look. I like it. And hopefully I didn't put too much. I think I put too much pink in here. I think so. It'll still be pretty. Alright, let's get these poured in. I'm going to move these out of the way because I will tip them over and get it everywhere. So tomorrow morning, these will all be perfectly ready to go. We're back. See how these little guys turned out. Oh, that's cute. We got the little red one. The little purple bow tie. And then we have pink. I think this one's purple also, or maybe it's blue. Nope, that one's purple. Oh, I like that pink. Ow. Okay, this one, I had the leftover red that I poured in the little, the leftover pink. Not a fan of that. And this one I had the leftover green. I love that blue though, the little sparkly blue. And this one I just mixed them all up. And then added the white pearl. Yeah, not a fan of those. I won't be doing that again. And they're so cute. They like stand up. So you can put these like on the edge of your desk or something. Yeah, I don't like those very much. So I'm going to stick with the solid colors and the little bow. So I have the two flowers here. These are cured. So I'm going to add the backing and then I will unmold these in the morning. It's demolding time. these. I'm going to do the blue one first. I was worried about how it would look with the flower in its face. Let's see if it's cool or not so cool. Oh. Well, it's kind of cool. Maybe if I add some little eyes, it would look like that it's his mouth. What do you think? Not bad. I love the blue, the shiny, the pearl. The white pearls made it all glittery. And you can see there the layers. So I had the clear, and then the blue. Very cool. Again, I love the pearl white mixed in with that pink, made it very glittery. And sorry, my dogs are stupid. I think, honestly, I like the little blue guy better. This would be really cute if I hadn't colored in the little bow. So maybe do some more flowers without the bow being colored in. I don't know. What do you think? I have to think about this one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get my cards made, and then I'll show you pictures of them all completed.